Hi all, just going to show you very quickly our Sella trim, which is a silicone-free, easy to fit trim. One of the obstacles we've found with our trade partners with blind screen is the silicone and the corking. So what we put together is it's a patent set essentially, which is a trim, which is a curved trim. And then we have a corner piece as well to be able to cover the joint in the 45-degree angle. You've got a rubber, so you've got an angled trim with a rubber at the side. I'll just show you the white one, Paul. The one we just showed you there is the O2. This is for the O1, so same again. Very, very small trim. This one's 5mm shorter. We can show you here where you've got a bit of a gap. That's because there's around an 8mm gap at the side. And the curvage that's on the trim will enable the rubber to go against the side. So where the recess runs out, it will go straight against the side of the recess, and these are all blackout trim. So that's Sella trim. Feel free to pop on the website, have a little look. Any inquiries, pop through to us and we'll point in the right direction. Thank you.